Okay, my name is Sarah Finau. I have lived in this house since 2019. We got our solar panels in 2021. I had a really good experience with the salesman. I thought he was fantastic. I've dealt with a couple of different solar panel companies that have come through, and I just felt like he was genuine, and he gave us a great deal, and so it worked out. The thought of emergency preparedness was one of our deciding factors, and then also trying to balance out how much power costs versus having solar panels once it's paid off, you know. So the first time we lost power, we didn't even realize we lost power because one of the rooms that it covers is my bedroom. And so we were in the bedroom at the time and the TV was working fine, and the kids came upstairs and they're like, we don't have any power. So we thought it was a breaker trip. And so we were trying to figure it out, and it took us a minute to realize it was the battery that was backing everything up, and the items that were on were the items that we chose. So it was pretty funny, actually. So I love that about my battery, is when the power does go out, I can still cook. My refrigerator doesn't die. I can wash clothes. So that's a good thing for me. I've had really good experience with everybody that's worked with ES Solar, and the employees have just been fantastic and kind, so, and knowledgeable.